Yes, so in case you are meeting me for the first time, this me is year one of Pescara. The only more we get Pescara City, not easy. See, I don't come again this night. You know, say if baby they try, and then they do something. That's what this fine girl is trying. But it is good like skin, so this is fine. Baby, happy birthday to you, Favor. Long life and prosperity. Many money for your bank account, Favor. Oh, and I said, Favor will follow you like this is your own name and Favor. Like become +1 today we go to 15. So for this August day, so like become +1 today. I said Favor will follow you like your name. Nothing will fit do you. Oh, Favor, almost say Favor. What body? What me Favor? Oh, see baby, Favor. See, I tell you, like your name Favor. And blessing will follow you come +1. The best way why I'm a hazard is like I tell you say if daughter not become +1 to deal with your 15. So what am I talking about? So Mrs. Osas, your lovely mother, and you go here my hazard. You know say your mommy no dey, you know they say the city where you dey, mommy dey outside the country. You know everything now, and you know your lovely mother. Oh, we don't know mama, we don't know mama Favor and everything. And you born this woman already 6 years, so and you born this fine baby. So Favor, the mommy say I tell you say happy birthday to you. You say long life and prosperity. You say many money for your bank account. You say you will grow, pass out. You say you will even get money, pass out. The mommy say I don't tell you say where he no feel rich. You say you will be Favor, will be light. Say you will pass out. The only message tell you say nothing. If you do like be say if they are alive, if they give back for you, say nothing if you do Favor. Let me kill your man why I'm a house. I say come in, say my picking not become +1 to maybe 15, so let me be sharp ready. Favor, see, you will be so you may be sharp ready. See, Favor, I've been one goal, not the journey. Favor, see, because your matter, you know, see, you may want you to say your birthday, your man, I said, let me tell you, say, you carry me like fire. Favor, you must say, mom, you see, Favor, your mommy, never is the permission of any sharp birthday. Favor, your mommy say, Favor, I want to tell you one secret. Not tell your mommy, go to your mommy tell me. Your mommy say, I not tell you before. But you say, my mama don't let me cover. Let me tell you. Your mommy say, I can tell you, say, that day will be on 15 your birthday. So, say, we be for Benin, we shut down. Say, based on say, you be loving them. This is when you come in life. Say, now you get joy. Say, Benin will close down for your matter. Say, you pack all your friends, you carry your cup back. You come in like because everything for us. Everything that day, everywhere is true. You say if na rice or pepper soup, everything you say dinner day your birthday. So Favor once more, you want me to me the journey. Favor, happy birthday to you from me. One, I wish you long life and prosperity. Favor, go to the world and multiply. Favor, ciao.
Everywhere you go, very deep. Celebrate yourself. You go shoot play for her. You go take that photo and celebrate yourself.
Yes, so this me is in year one of Pescara. I'm here to wish girl will be saying what am I talking about? Joy. I say happy birthday to you. I say long life and prosperity. Many money for your bank account. Oh, see girls, say support us everything fresh for everybody. The best way why I'm a house, I always say my God wish you happy birthday. So it's not other person done. Bolo. Oh, so that your girlfriend. Everywhere is pocket for that. Oh, see. Miss Bolo, that's my phone wish you happy birthday. See me the flex, see me the shine. Oh, everything day with you. Oh, you see because since we get friend like you say because they tell me before say me they get friend again. Say since we meet you as a friend, and you say friend they will pass sister, friend they will say pass brother. Say friends they will say you try. Say once more, I mean that they say happy birthday because you know believe say you need to become a brother, you need to become a sister. Say we two of them do things together. Say people talk and say, we have gay say no say we want to be gay because they do things together as one love. door. So that me can see me wherever you call it. Yes, you know. Then I phone ring like this. You know. Hey, me. Yes, you know. My girlfriend is celebrate her birthday. I say, when can say joy? And I say, Joy, make me come now. Come wish you happy birthday to us now. Joy, you're the place to go. So your girlfriend might tell you one to say, so when you pack all your friends come in your house tomorrow. So when your birthday, so when this level is your birthday, it's so good. So when you pack all your friends, when you call them from France, when they come ask me, they come Meleko, when they come flesh. So everything they with them. So because you put banga rice, banga soup, starch, everything, even Izoko, Papa, is everything days. So when you pack all your friends, when you come Meleko, say because everything, God is good for you, good to run. Say all your things, all your bees, say they get, say everything still anyhow. That's why I say once more, happy birthday to you, Joy. Oh, see if I get Joy, you find ya. Joy, if I forget, even me myself and see here, they wish you happy birthday. I say long life and prosperity, many money for your bank account. Joy, not to go to do like this. You got to add extra 1 year, Joy, and bring one go every day because you go to pump for someone to be fine. Joy, you fine. Once more, happy birthday to you. Joy, happy birthday to you. Ciao.
Now or Sunday, I join you celebrate. Your birthday now or Monday, I join you celebrate. Your birthday now or Tuesday, I join you celebrate. Your birthday now or Wednesday, I join you celebrate. Your birthday now. Popular everywhere you go.
Yes, so this is me. It's one of the star. It's not easy. I'm not coming. They can't wish somebody to the track. What am I talking about? Evening. I say happy birthday to you. I say long life and prosperity. Many money for your bank account. Oh, see this fine woman where they bring to my house. So see, man, don't ask me this one in Nigeria. You know, see where I dress. In Nigeria, they go say I want to fly. How they go that woman see, no go be my head. And the woman get evening beauty. Oh, my baby. Yes, so now the woman get evening beauty hair and makeover for birthday. Who don't know that woman store? You never know any other place. See now that fine woman is celebrate her birthday today. So see, don't ask me the date of this birthday. I want to do so. This August we already show. That this fine woman birthday. See, when you get from me, no miss my celebrate with her. Hey, you are happy, you are. See, once more evening, say happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Oh, I'm here, so new. See the way they get you. Already buy my flight ticket. I come and get away for you. See, the person where we say where am I asa, where we say oh me is here. What can I say? Happy birthday, your lovely husband. Who am I talking about? Oh, the man where we say see you everywhere still. Your husband where am I asa? Call me where am I asa? Oh, I see here. My wife is celebrate her birthday. Oh, like your husband they wish you happy birthday. So your children they see they wish you happy birthday. Say because since when you come their life, so everything change. Your husband like you say the support when you give them right from the beginning when you came meet you. Say since when you meet you never see the kind of way you do to her. And I make a call why man say I wish you happy birthday. Your husband say make I tell you say this on the 14th of your birthday. So you pack all your friends, both your guests, may they come ask, may they come Meleko. Say rice and stew day, banga and starch. Say day. You say even Izoko, Papa say them come there Izoko. Me myself is saying they don't want to come Meleko with you. Mama, like they see me so, now move men they come be me, not come top price. See, now not forget to on the 14th of this month, this fine woman birthday. I see the woman, I see everywhere still the woman, but the mama once more, happy birthday to you. Give me where they say, I see they wish you happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Come on there, ciao.
Now or Sunday, I join you celebrate. Your birthday now or Monday, I join you celebrate. Your birthday now or Tuesday, I join you.
Yes, so in case you are meeting me for the first time, this is me. It's in year one of Prescara. I'm here to wish a brother, a friend, the person will be saying try. What am I talking about? Papi Cool, I said happy birthday to you. I said long life and prosperity. Many money for your bank account, Papi Cool. Oh, see if I'm my way, we try. See if I'm my way, we try, Baba. And when you try, then you remember to celebrate you. And when you try, then why they come and celebrate you. And when you try, then people come and your friend will come and celebrate you. Oh, you know they try, nobody will come and bring on the way they do and make me say, yeah, come and wish you happy birthday because you try Papi Cool. Papi Cool, see where you find because you too cool and make your name be Papi Cool. If you're not cool, your name will be Papi Cool. Once more, happy birthday to you, brother. Long life and prosperity. Many money for your bank account. Like you become +1 on the 15th of this month, August to your day. So, like God bless you this month. Add extra 1 year to your age. Once more, my brother, reach out because people they born. You and them together, many every day together, but you Papi Cool are celebrating, you are still enjoying, and brother, keep on enjoying the good. See, on the 15th of this month, who you there for curiosity? May you come Greno, may you come Meleko, you my brother, may you go flesh with all your friends, we on a day, may I come curiosity, may I come Meleko, my brother Meleko. Bros, Papi Cool, happy birthday to you. See, that make me myself and say, I carry my back. So, those are my back, watch out, come out, and come Greno, and come Meleko, which all the 15 we celebrate them together. Once more, Papi Cool, I say happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Many money for your bank and Papi Cool. This of the 15 way God add extra 1 year in your age. So when the shine they go out, you are God of Papi Cool. Once more, is your loyal boy and say one of Priscara. I wish my brother happy birthday, my lovely brother. I say long life and prosperity. Keep on shining, not till you feel the big boozer for you.
I'm a suggestion.